how to create separation. And no, I'm not talking about your wife, bro. Luke's wanting to know, so I got you, bro. The way I do it is I basically go left and right, kind of faking, trying to throw my defender a certain way. So in this downhill situation, I notice before I make the move, my defender is committing to denying my drive to my right, because the easiest shot here is a layup off the right-hand corner. So noticing he is cutting my right drive off, I behind the back dribble left, blow past him. He does a good job of recovering here, but if you know your strengths, you know what you can do, and so I just do a weird little reverse backwards, what do you call this, a hook shot, whatever. But if you're up against guys who deny the drive pretty well, like Tristan stays in front of me here, just keep going left and right, don't stop. Like a lot of guys pick up the ball, it's like, don't give up on the drive. If he keeps denying you, step back and pop it, because a lot of times if they're denying the drive, they're going to be so committed to keeping you from the rim, they're not going to be worried about getting back out for your shot, so you have all the space in the world. But if your defender's good at cutting you off, denying the drive, a lot of times you can stop your drive and back up, kind of read him, see what he's going to do. If he's not going to attack you, I'm going to step back here, and that's going to be how I create the separation for the shot. Of course, he's not committed here either. This is kind of bad defense, but it works for if your defender denies you on like a fast break. That's where I would practice the step back. Keep it kind of simple though. Tristan denies my drive to the right, but I catch him. He doesn't recover to the left, so right here is where my feet should be squared up for a shot. I should shoot that. But I do too much. I do one more little juke and then step back, and it's a way harder shot than it needs to be, and that's why I end up missing this shot. You know, it's like I'm a little too wrapped up in looking cool rather than just making the shot. So, you know, if the simpler you keep it, the easier the shot's going to be, and the more shots you're going to make, the more points you're going to make, the better you're going to be on the team, the closer you'll be to the NBA. I'm obviously nowhere near there, so I hope this stuff is helping you out, bro. I'm going to be honest though, I shoot a lot of hard shots. I practice a lot of hard shots because I don't want to rely on separation. Like Marshawn Lynch said, run through a motherfucking face over and over and over and over again. You're going to be in their head. They're not going to be able to guard you. It's not a very good way to play basketball. It's just a fun way to play basketball, because if you're good enough at making shots in traffic, I mean, nobody's guarding you anyway. Like, there's no such thing as separation. As long as you have that inch to get your shot off, you don't see your defender. By the way, y'all, all of these videos are on my YouTube channel. If you want to check them out, that would help me out a whole lot. I really appreciate you watching.
Alright, that's up my game. I never cared about defense. I hate this fucking game.